Hi, Piggy Man. You having breakfast? It's so cold. It's 9 degrees, feels like, or it's 17, feels like 9. George is having his warm breakfast. Look how he's disassembling his straw igloo we built around his house. He's just gradually tearing it down and making a giant straw pile. We had it completely covered around there, but he seems to be making it work for himself. So that's what's important. He's surviving the cold the best he can. Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. There's a rooster. I can't get into the barn and let the ducks out. The barn door is frozen shut. Everything's frozen to the ground. His water bucket is frozen to the ground. I dare not touch that plastic bucket or it'll just crack into pieces. So I've been keeping him in this. Is it good? I'll bring his hot water out in a gallon water jug. Come here, baby. Don't get that too far away from me. Come here. Bring it over this way so I can reach it, okay? Bring it over this way so I can reach it. Good boy. Some more water. That's the kitties. Lawson and Lainey. There you go. Some water. That's like some warm. Yeah. Oh, yummy, yummy. He sucks that up. That's so good. Oh, go. There you go, little pink nose.